So to get started in this lesson, let's start with Metamask. We're going to work on connecting our wallet using the new Metamask action that's in Bildr. So again, I've just got a simple template set up here. I'll show it to you in the studio. If you want to follow along, all you need to do is drop a button and a text box into your project, and that's all we need for this step. You don't need the fancy layout and all of that. You can literally just start with a button element and a text element, and then we'll go from there. So I've got those in my scene already, in my my page already. What I want to do is I want to change the name of this button, so I'm going to set this to say connect to Metamask. And then my text box, this is going to be my wallet address, but we're starting out without our wallet connected, so this is just going to say wallet not connected. And we'll start like that. So this is what our page looks like, wallet not connected. What we want to do next is when you click on connect to Metamask, it should open Metamask and ask you to authenticate so that you can connect your wallet. So back in the studio, we are going to use our button on click as the trigger. So on our button, we're going to go to events, and on click, we want to say a new flow. So let's create a new flow here, and we'll call it connect to Metamask and create the flow. And then we're going to add an action, and you can either scroll through the list of actions or you can search for Metamask. But you'll notice we have a new section here for Web3, and there's a Metamask connect and get wallet ID action. So that's the one we're going to use. We're going to hit add. Then we're going to set the variable for the wallet ID. I'm going to leave it as the default Metamask _ wallet. That works fine for me. And then we have different actions that we can run for different scenarios. So if we get success response from Metamask, if there's a rejected connection or an error, we can trigger different flows. I'm just going to stick with the success case for now. And let's say on this action, we want to create a new flow. So let's go into flows, new flow, and we're going to say Metamask success. And what do I want to do when there's a success message? Well, I want to display the wallet address where it says wallet not connected. So we're going to use element set value as our action. And the element that I want to change is my wallet not connected text. And I want to set that to a variable, which is on the current page, and it's this variable Metamask _ wallet that we just looked at. So the last thing we need to do is now use this Metamask success action in our flow. So in connect to Metamask, action for success, we're going to select Metamask success. So once we get that positive response, it'll run that flow and update this wallet ID. So let's test it out. On our test URL, just going to refresh, and I'm going to hit connect, and you'll see it automatically pulls up Metamask and asks me which account I want to connect to if you have multiple accounts, and then hit connect, and we can see that our wallet address is now here, and our connect button obviously got squished out of the way. Let's take care of that real quick. What I really want to do is add one more step on our Metamask success that says after we set that wallet, we also want to hide our button. So let's say element hide completely, and I'm going to hide that connect button, because once it's connected, we don't need it anymore. So let's test that out. I'll refresh, hit connect to Metamask, and this time I won't have to authorize it again because I've already authorized this site to connect to my Metamask account. So it'll happen automatically when I hit connect. Now we see the button is gone and my wallet is connected. So that's our first step. We've now been able to connect and get our wallet ID. In the next tutorial, what we will do is use that wallet ID to make an API call to OpenSea and pull in our NFTs. So I'll see you in the next one.